Have you been a job seeker at any time in the last 4 years, especially in the world of IT? If yes, then you would agree with us that the entire process has changed. If you are an experienced IT professional and this is your first time as a job seeker in recent years, then please buckle up. Why do we say that? It is our experience. AnaghTech specializes in UI, web, full-stack technologies and has invested over 18 years in this domain. We have trained more than 25,000 professionals and also placed over 4,000 professionals in these years. The hiring process today is much different than from a few years back. COVID and work from home in addition to remote teams has eliminated the ability to have candidates and teams sit across the table and discuss. The notepad or whiteboard have been replaced by computers and cameras. Hiring managers have a lot of pressure to ensure the candidate is not only strong technically but also genuine. There are cases where the candidate who interviewed was not the one who showed up to work. Hence, the hiring process today involves multiple steps wherein different people interview the same candidate and they try to maintain a common thread to see if the candidate is able to maintain the continuity. For example, they will give a coding test one day and next day bring up snippets of the code to discuss. If someone else wrote the code, then it is not really possible to verify during a call. Since there are multiple levels of interviews for each position, the hiring manager invariably has a coding challenge as the first step. The challenge has questions related to fundamentals, and we all know that such things are never required in actual daily work. Several coding challenges include questions on vastly different areas, and we have found that they even include areas not even mentioned in the requirement. A fresh graduate does better in such processes as they still have the student mindset and they remember syntax and definitions. Experienced folks struggle with tests. They are not used to remembering syntax. They solve problems and yet struggle to provide textbook answers. They are frustrated and we hear that daily. But such interview questions have become a normal process and good candidates suffer. I request that your preparation for interviews should also include spending time with core fundamentals. In the end, it is a process that we all hate, but it is a client mandate step. In the end, the client will always hire based on their gut after discussing with the candidate. AnaghTech has put together several highly rated courses related to UI, web, full-stack technologies such as React, Angular, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Redux, Node, Regular Expression, Mongo, MySQL, and several more being launched. Our courses cover beginner to advanced levels on all topics. The content contains actual interview questions that are collected based on our experience as a staffing organization. All of our courses are available via an annual membership by visiting pro.anachtech.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our free content. Our recruiting team is happy to work with you on finding your next assignment. Please share your resume on recruiting@anachtech.com. Brushing up on fundamentals always helps you get in the mindset of interviewing. We wish you the best.